Hi there, how are you doing? I wanted to go through this scope a bit more before we jump to the next topic. Okay, so in JavaScript there is no concept of block level scope. Okay, so in other programming languages such as C or Java, code blocks enclosed by brackets have their own scope. So for example, within this they have their own scope, and whatever you define, if you define a variable inside, they wouldn't be available outside, because as soon as they are available outside, they become part of the global object. Okay, so in other languages it would not be possible, but however in JavaScript it is possible, and that's how it works. Okay, so you need to understand that. Do a quick example. If true, let's say variable color equals to red. Okay, so I create this variable inside this if and if statement, and this if statement has its own code blocks, okay, within these two curly braces. However, that does not prevent, when you use var is automatically added to the immediate context, so this gets added to the global context. The only exception is function. Okay, function, for example, if I create a variable inside variable color equals to green, so this I have a variable color inside this if statement, and I have variable color inside function. Okay, so variable is automatically added to the immediate context. So in this case, in functions, the most immediate is the function's context. Okay, so this is available inside function statement, it's not available outside. However, this one is available outside, so function is just one exception. Okay, otherwise if you create inside if statement or inside for loop for var I equals to 0, I is more than 10, I plus plus, so it is 0. So as long as it is smaller than 10, increment, that's what I'm saying. So this variable is available console log I. Okay, let's comment this out. So this is, I created this variable inside the for loop, so I wouldn't want it to be available in the global scope, because it can cause a mess, because in global scope there would be many variables be available in this way. But that's how JavaScript works, and this is one of the problem with JavaScript. Right? So as you can see, 10. So when it finishes the loop, the i's value is 10, so it is available even outside the for loops code block. Okay, so that's what I was trying to say. No block level scope. Code block doesn't prevent it from going out. Okay, same with the if console log color. It is created inside if statement. It should be available, but it is available. Right. So no block level scope. However, it functions, any variable created inside a function, they save. Okay? So if I say return color, in fact we don't even need to, we're not trying to actually test the function, so let's just because function don't have to return anything. Okay, it's not important. So let's say color. Let's try to access color in the global scope. Let's see if it works. No, color is not defined. So I'll see you in the very next video. Thank you.